Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to build this little area here. This is the actual device that would bring the catapult down. So we're going to build it right through here. Ours is going to be a little bit wider than that, but that's okay. So I'm just going to start out with a cylinder. All right. Make sure that's 90. Let's go to our top view. Let's put it right around there. Should back a little bit. Okay. This is now a little too big, so we need to make this smaller here. Right there. Okay. Just go ahead and duplicate that over to the other side. Hitting Control D. That's good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the faces. Actually, you know what? Let's get rid of that one. Let's take these faces. All right. And we'll go ahead and extrude this. We're going to scale it down. And then let's extrude it. Wow, computer's slow right now. Let's go ahead and extrude it this way. All right, and let's extrude it up. And one more extrude. Perfect. Okay. The left side is a little bit wider, so we're just going to go to vertex mode, grab these vertices, and just move them over a little bit. That's good. Okay. Now we need those spikes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of grab this face, go two faces over, holding down shift while I do this. Two faces over. Okay, two faces over. There. And there. Whoops. And I'll go ahead and edit mesh extrude. And just grab this one and just like that. Okay, easy enough. And just go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Two faces over. It's nice that we're making this one piece of geometry. You always want to try to do that if you can. Okay, and do the same thing. Edit mesh extrude. And there you go. And the rope, we're not going to do. So, what I want you to do now is just the only thing I didn't model is this little metal thing on the on this, which again I'm not going to model that. I'm not going to bother. You see how this has a couple things here? We could model that real quick here. We're going to insert edge loops here and here, and here, and there. And I'll show you what we're going to do. I'm going to select these faces, edit mesh extrude. We're just going to do like this. Whoops. And then we're going to grab these here. And a mesh extrude. And I'm grabbing the blue arrow. If I go in, it gets smaller, so obviously I want to go that way. Okay, that looks nice. Okay, looks a little bit better now. And that's about it for the catapult. We're pretty much done. I'm just going to go ahead and take a minute and make the wheels. I'm not going to do that in this video. We already did it in class. And then I'll spend a minute next video and I'll texture.